Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Your iPhone is stuck on loading screen and it won't turn on for a long time. This situation is not so unfamiliar, right? Especially rebooting or restarting the device. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on loading screen issue. Method 1. Restart the iPhone. For the iPhone X, 10, 12, 13 and 14 series, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 8 or earlier, press and hold the side button on the device until you see the slider. Drag it to turn off the device and then press and hold the same button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Method 2. Fix iPhone stuck on loading screen without iTunes. Download and run Reboot on your computer, then connect your iPhone with ReiBoot. To fix iPhone or iPad stuck on loading screen, select iOS System Repair and click Start. Choose Standard Repair this feature because of no data loss, so click Standard Repair. You should download the new firmware package. Click Download button to proceed. Then tap Start Standard Repair to get iPhone stuck on loading screen fixed. When the repair process is done, your iPhone will be normal as new, generally speaking. If this method is unable to fix your problem, you can try to use deep repair on ReiBoot. Method 3. Using recovery mode. Open iTunes on your computer and connect on end of the USB cable to the computer. Press and hold the volume button on the device for a few seconds. While holding the volume button, connect to the other end of the cable to the device. Let's go of the volume button and you should see the iTunes symbol on the iPhone screen. iTunes will automatically detect a device in recovery mode. Click on OK to restore it and see if this fixes the problem. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.